Greetings to everyone from a new video. Today's video will be about iPhone 15 Pro. I have been experiencing this phone since September. I'll share my 4-month experiences with you in this video. The device I have is iPhone 15 Pro 128GB in natural titanium color. First of all, I want to talk briefly about why I bought this phone. I employ this phone for the purpose of editing videos as well as for capturing my videos using this phone. I edit the videos I shoot with this phone, especially using Canva and CapCut in these programs. As of January 2024, the current version is February 1st, 17. Therefore, with this version, heating problems have indeed been resolved. However, I can never state that it is entirely resolved. Additionally, when I extensively record a video with this smartphone or frequently browse on social media or edit videos, the heat generated in comparison to the previous version is undeniably noticeable. When I was an iPhone 14 Pro user, the phone definitely didn't heat up this much when I did these operations. Yes, the heating problem has been resolved in most applications on iPhone 15 Pro. However, I still do not observe excessive heating compared to the previous object in heavy usage. Regrettably, in spite of the arrival of updates and the phone gaining more stability, the issue of overheating continues to persist, causing inconvenience and impacting the overall user experience negatively. I want to emphasize again that there is a difference in temperature values between the first released version and the current version. Therefore, yes, the heating problem continues, but not as much as the heating when the phone first came out. Our friends who will ask this, why did you choose 15 when you didn't buy 15 Pro Max? My hands are not excessively large. Therefore, the importance of ergonomics cannot be overstated for me. I needed to utilize this phone in a more minimalistic and more accessible manner. Given its suitability for single-handed operation, the iPhone 15 Pro is a pleasant device for me. Friends who want to consume content on a larger screen or friends who want to shoot videos on a larger screen can choose Pro Max. Also this year there's a lens difference between Pro Max and Pro. With one we can do a max of 3x zoom, while with the 15X Pro Max we can do 5x zoom. Therefore, those who expect higher performance in terms of camera should definitely choose Pro Max. In professional models there is also the option of logging and saving to solid-state storage. Therefore, significant details have been added to the 15 Pro family for individuals who desire to capture a video entirely using this phone. After transitioning to a 3nm architecture, the ray tracing feature came to this phone. Now we will be able to play games on our phones in console quality, computer quality. But since I'm not a frequent phone gamer, I usually didn't explore the gaming aspect of the phone due to its focus on video editing and shooting processes. I create content on social media on a daily basis on my phone. I am shooting videos for social media. I handle videos in 4K, 30 or 60 FPS. I shoot videos in vertical or horizontal format with this phone. I share the videos I captured with this phone on my social media platforms while editing them. In reality, when we analyze it daily, there is substantial usage. I perform all operations on this phone for hours every day. With iPhone 15 Pro Max, I am able to effortlessly utilize my smartphone as a computer, thanks to its exceptional performance that rivals that of my desktop computer despite its compact size. Apple is unbeatable on this side, in my opinion. When I look at other Android competitors, yes, we shoot very nice videos, we do very nice editing. However, the stability on the iPhone is regrettably not available on any other phone, in my opinion. After this video, a longer video where we discuss more detailed and efficient temperature values will be live on our channel. Hence, it's advantageous for you to follow the channel. This is all I'll briefly share about my 4Mo experience with this phone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this video, and share it with your loved ones. See you in our next video. Take care. Goodbye.